everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet and I am a B.Ed student. In today's video, I'm excited to share one of my B.Ed projects with you. My teaching methods are English and social science, and this is my second semester English method model. The title of my prose, the question of space. This model is based on a simple yet meaningful concept: two old friends meeting in a park after a long time and discussing their studies and life choices. Okay, among them, one friend is pursuing photography, following his passion, while the other is studying science under the pressure of his parents. Through this model, I tried to show the importance of personal interest and freedom in choosing one's career. Okay, so here the title, the question of space, means that the author is thinking about and discussing what space really means in our lives. Okay, here space does not just mean the outer space, okay, but it also refers to the place where we live in our personal freedom. Okay, so according to the prose, the question of space, where a child was pressurized by their parents to get admitted into the science field, but the child was not interested in that field. So this is what the author was showing, the question of space. Okay, whether the parents are giving it or not. The word question shows that the author is exploring this idea deeply and trying to understand how space affects people in physical, social and emotional ways. Okay, so that's it, the question of space. And now moving on to the process of making this, while making this model, I received a lot of support from my parents. Okay, my mom beautifully made all the swings, and I created this blue and white color boundary, and plus this ice cream sticks boundary, and the yellow color paper which I pasted on the road was actually in white in color. I painted it to the yellow color, and which looked quite good. And also, the most difficult thing was my favicol, because the favicol which I was using while making this model was quite dumb and idiot, because it was not sticking properly. And that is the only thing which created difficulty for me. And yes, but finally I completed it with a lot of effort and patience. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.